The 2021 Singer Porsche 911 Safari. California-based Porsche 911 restoration gods at Singer have unveiled their latest creation, the ACS. Basically, its takes on the 911 Safari. The ACS is powered by a twin-turbo, air-cooled, 3.6-liter flat six good for about 450 horsepower. More power can be extracted via tuning for the varying demands of individual events. That power travels through a 5-speed sequential transmission and onwards, to a permanent all-wheel drive system. To make sure it survives the condition, it's got a long-range fuel tank, 2 full-size spare tires and wheels, and 5mm thick removable aluminum underbody protective panels that allow for easy middle-of-nowhere repairs. All of the body panels are carbon fiber and brake calipers are 4-pistons, while the long travel suspension features are 2 5-way adjustable dampers on all 4 corners. Inside, there's an FIA spec roll cage, FIA spec bucket seats, a carbon hydraulic handbrake lever, and a huge screen with navigation.